Hi, my name is Simon Liu and I'm a local residential realtor at Happy Homes Vancouver in Vancouver, BC. Today we're going to show you how to replace a bug screen that has a hole in it. So you can see some damage here. Very common problem, very simple to fix, and we're going to show you how. First, we're going to go over the components of a bug screen and what they do. So over here we have a clip. This is a spring-loaded. It holds the screen in place on the window. Not every bug screen uses it. This particular one does. Next, we have on this side the metal tabs. The metal tabs are used to pull down on the bug screen to compress the spring so you can take it out. We have obviously the screen, and what holds the screen in is this vinyl spline. It gets pushed in, it holds it, gives it tension, and that's what gives it the structural integrity. Next, you have the frame. The frame is made up of pieces of two parts. You got the corner brackets, and then you have the frame. Do whatever shape you want. If you can find a bracket in that shape, you can make any shape that you like. We got the new screen. It comes in a roll. You can get them multiple lengths. I happen to buy the biggest one. And the vinyl spline. Keep in mind, we may not use the spline. If the condition of the current one is good enough and adequate, we'll just reuse it because it's already cut. For tools, we need a knife, the spline roller, and a pick. First step to replacing the bug screen would be to remove the spline, and we do that by using a pick and pulling it up. So next, once we get enough to grab onto, we can just pull it. Now we're going to get to the clip here. The important part is this clip's going to pop up, so don't lose it because it's hard to find replacements. So we'll just get over there and be gentle with it. We're going to find a spot and pull the screen. We have to make sure we get every bit out. We don't want to leave anything behind. There you go. That's the window screen. So now we have the screen out, and we're going to carefully remove the clips and set it aside. There's the frame. This is quite dirty. I'm going to take it back and scrub it inside and make sure all the debris is out so that we get a flat, tight fit with the spline when we install it. So we'll be right back. The frame is now clean and ready for installation. The next step for installation is to actually put you unroll more than we need. We're going to go over the entire piece. If you're picky like I am, you want to find where the lines are and try to make a 90 degree. So we had a look at the old spline, and it was still in very good shape. This is a pretty new bug screen evidently. So we're going to reuse this, and basically we're going to find a corner. We're going to take our spline roller and push it in. We're going to go back and forth, give it a good seat. We got the first side in. We're going to get to the second side, and we're going to make sure we pull on the screen. Give it enough tension. Now we're at the side with the clips, so we're going to carefully put the clips in. And we're going to give it some tension. We're going to cut the ends off the spline. I'm being very careful not to cut the screen. Next step, we're going to cut the screen off, and we do so by keeping our knife blade as straight along the edge as possible, and we're going to cut it. So it's going to do this, and we're just going to go evenly across. Okay, there we have it. That's a brand new screen now, no holes, and it's ready for installation. As you can see, it was quick, it was simple, inexpensive, and anyone can do it. Thank you for watching.